let's take a look at this Awei T56 Anc earbuds with screen. For the quick specs, we have here Bluetooth 5.4, IPX6 waterproof, 500 milliamp hour charging case, smart touch. That's the quick specs from the box. So it says here earbuds with screen. This is the Awei T56, and let's look what's inside the box. We have here the screen functions overview, but we're gonna take a look at that at every detail later on. And on the side, we have here the extra ear tips, the USB-C charging cable, our user manual. So that's what's inside the box, and the highlight of it all is our Awei T56 Anc, which is in a white variant here. So this is the Awei logo. We have there the USB-C charging port and the switch button. So this is the secure charging case with screen. Now let's take out the earbuds. So the earbuds here, we have there the LED indicator, and on the bottom we have there the microphone. Let's take the other one. This, by the way, is touch control buds. So this is 10mm driver, 4 hours talk time, music play time of 5 hours, and if you charge this, the charging time is 2.5 hours. Hands-free function. Right, now let's look at the external screen. Turn on via screen. Right there, so let's slide that to unlock. The music controls is first, then we have there the on-screen time. You can adjust the on-screen time. You have there the volume, of course the ambient sound control, ANC mode, ANC off, and transparency mode. The equalizer, normal, acid rock, prevalent, classical, jazz, and all others. The screen brightness there. So this is very functional. You have also the option to change the lock screen wallpaper. You change that with a photo or the Awei logo itself. So you have their choices. Now, I think let's get back to the Awei logo. So for it to really look basic. Alright, now let's swipe that to unlock. Let's go what's next. This is the spatial sound. We have their film mode, music mode, and game mode to your choice. Of course, it has Find My Buds function just in case your buds got lost. And we have here the flashlight mode. So the screen lights up and you make that as your flashlight on a very dark situation. This is very useful. Language selection, the stopwatch. So let's try that. Basically, the on-screen functions is all there, so you don't need any companion app. So photography, that's the camera control button, and of course we have this unique TikTok controls. You swipe up, swipe down, and then the heart. If you swipe that again, it will return back to the main controls. For you to turn it off, you have to press, of course, the switch at the bottom. Let's try all of those. The touchscreen is very responsive, and let's long press the switch button for the choices: restart, shutdown, or reset. So it says goodbye. This is it. This is the Awei T56 Anc earbuds with the external screen. Tell me what you think. What are the things that I have missed? And if you love this video, please feel free to subscribe, make a comment, and share. This is Rye. Thanks for being here. See you again on the next one. Bye, guys.